But more migrants kept arriving on rubber dinghies to the shores of Lesbos island on Sunday. Police said some 800 migrants had arrived in Lesbos since then. Most are from Syria, Iraq and Afghanistan. They seemed undeterred by the prospect of being sent back to Turkey. Some expressed hope that they would be able to continue the journey into Europe.
My wife and my son in Germany. Okay, I want to go Germany.
I work very hard work in Turkey. I collect the money for I coming here. After that, 5 minutes I come here. 5 days, I go back to Turkey. It's very dangerous and very not good.
But the Greek government said it may need more time to implement the deal. It's trying to arrange migrants arriving in Lesbos and other shelters before being transferred back to Turkey. Around 1,500 people crossed the Aegean Sea to Greece's islands on Friday, and that was more than double the day before. Under the deal, migrants who reach the Greek islands will be deported back to Turkey. For every Syrian returned, the EU will resettle one from a Turkish refugee camp.